In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and WooCommerce. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use Google to reach the official WooCommerce site, navigate to the extensions marketplace, search for a specific tool called Admin Order Modifier for WooCommerce, and open its page to learn how it helps change shipping prices in WooCommerce. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type WooCommerce. In the results, look for the official WooCommerce website on the woocommerce.com domain. Choosing the official site ensures you're browsing trusted, up-to-date resources and avoids third-party listings that may not be accurate. Once the WooCommerce site loads, head to Extensions. You'll typically see extensions in the main navigation at the top of the page. This section is WooCommerce's marketplace, where you can discover add-ons that extend your store's functionality. It includes tools for checkout, payments, shipping, and order management. Everything designed to work natively with Woocommerce. Inside the extensions area, locate the search field. Type Admin Order Modifier for Woocommerce. Using the exact name helps surface the most relevant result right away. If you notice filters or categories, you can leave them as they are. The query is specific enough to bring up the right listing without extra adjustments. From the search results, click Admin Order Modifier for WooCommerce to open its product page. This page explains how the extension enables store administrators to adjust order details directly from the dashboard, including changing shipping prices when needed. That's particularly helpful if you have to correct a miscalculated rate, honor a negotiated shipping charge, or make a post-purchase adjustment after speaking with a customer. On the product page, take a moment to review the overview and feature descriptions so you understand how edits are made within the order editor. Check the requirements and compatibility notes to confirm it works with your versions of WordPress, WooCommerce, and PHP. The screenshots typically show where controls appear in the admin, and the documentation section clarifies exactly which order fields can be modified. The changelog can indicate how actively the extension is maintained, and user reviews offer insight into reliability and real-world use cases like adjusting shipping line items. To recap, use Google to reach the official WooCommerce site, go to Extensions, search for Admin Order Modifier for WooCommerce, and open its page to learn how it enables shipping price changes within WooCommerce orders. That's all you need to confidently find the tool designed for managing shipping price adjustments from the admin side.